Alright, what is up, guys? I'm in the shed today. Messing with the 140. Needs a new battery. Already took the battery out. Let's turn the gas off. Left it on yesterday, yeah, it's off. But a lot of things actually been happening with this thing. Had problems with it. Got water in the gas. That wasn't good. So I got water in the gas. Got all that out. Put some ethanol free in it. Ran great. Thing's battery's dead. I'm doing a ride on Sunday, maybe. The fall trail ride's about I don't even know, like 10 minutes from my house. So that's nice. I'm planning on doing that on Sunday, which I will have the GoPro on, which more footage from y'all, which I might actually disconnect this video because I'm not going to have enough footage to do it. So, show you the 140 real quick. Got the seat taken off, battery out, seat, battery. Got the battery, got the boat on, go all the way. So I can't really do nothing with that, but hopefully I'll get the stuff. Today's actually Thanksgiving. It's like 35 outside. It feels like 28. Kind of cold, but so today's actually Thanksgiving. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore today just because it is Thanksgiving. I ain't gonna do nothing today. I'll probably get the battery, go nap with tomorrow, get the battery and everything, get everything situated. So this thing be ready for Sunday. I'm about to go in. Getting a little chilly. Kodiak, hadn't ridden any Kodiak at all. Hadn't really ridden the 140 at all. Just haven't had time. But I'll get this thing ready for Sunday, and I guess that's when I'll pick y'all back up tomorrow when I go and get the battery. What's up, guys? I'm back. Got the battery. See if we can get this thing positioned. Like I want it. Gotta get this battery in here. See. Record this. Alright, I found it. But alright. I got this thing. And I'm guessing like that. How in the living balls? I guess I get this damn thing. Trying to get this thing to grab. Huh. Let me see one of them zip ties. Something don't work. Grab the zip tie. See if I... There we go. There we go. Zip tie always works. Got it working. Watch this, watch this, watch. Wonderful. Alright, now I'm gonna get this thing put back together. Got the cover on it. That sure is not. That's right. I already should This, that's probably take a little. Alright, I'm just gonna time lapse. I'm gonna time lapse for the rest of this, so it ain't painful to watch. Oh my God! All right, this bike hadn't been fully together in probably 2-3 weeks. I got it back together, got it running, got a fresh battery in it, fresh spark plug. I don't know why I did put spark plug in a couple weeks ago. So, full tank of ethanol-free gas. I am trying to got this thing together now. I'm ready to sell it. Ready to give this thing. Give me a 250. What? I think I'm like 5'9" now, and I'm still on this bike. It's pretty much a pit bike now. Like, it feels like a pit bike, but hopefully, now this thing's gonna nice sell it. Perfect time right now. It's late November. Some dad want to buy his kid a 140G. I got the right one for him. Got this thing out. It's kind of soft. It rained today. It rained. I don't know. It rained yesterday. No, it didn't rain yesterday. It rained today. It rained Saturday. That's all I said. It rained. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Kickstart. Shoot out me, it's like a pit bike on. It's dark. Damn, I can smell it, man. I ain't heard this in a couple weeks. Wonderful. Damn this bike. Alright, I got this thing running now. I'm gonna sit here and auto for a couple minutes. Sounds a little weird, but I ain't worried about it. Hopefully this got this thing running out. It's like a brand new bike. So I might run. I ain't gonna ride any day just how wet it is. I'll show you on a second how wet it is. But hopefully it's supposed to be nice. So maybe I'll get to ride a little bit Friday. Maybe throw the GoPro on for a little bit, but for this is right now, this is it for this video. So I'll catch y'all next one.